too many sales reps treat sales like a freaking dating app. Swipe left, swipe right, however they do it on the dating app, right? It's just you're bombarding people with, hey, you want to hook up, right? If I could have 5 minutes of your time, we'd love to show you about our new product. Or you're, dare I say, insulting. Hopefully people on dating apps, I don't know, I'm not on one, aren't insulting people, but salespeople are insulting people. Noticed your website was screwed up. Noticed you guys don't have non-standard commercial auto insurance. Noticed that you guys are doing all your logistics in-house. There's a much better way of doing it. That is not the gosh darn way to start conversations. You got to have a better way. You got to deliver an insight, man. There's something going on that every VP of logistics is dealing with right now, especially as we enter into next month and next year. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. But even before all of that, you guys could start doing something right now. I know some of you already are, where you could just crush everybody. And this is the perfect time of year to do it. And that's just pick up this thing, right? And call and raise your hand. Just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of financial services, deal me in. I live and breathe this stuff. I'm happy to help you whether you're a client or not, even if you just want to bounce an idea off of somebody. Nobody's doing that. Nobody. I don't get any of those calls. And I'm a business owner. I hire people. I own websites. All of these people bombard me with spam emails. Right? I 52 times a month I get, we want to buy your company. I've got an interested investor wanting to buy your company. It's probably a scam. Right? But even if it wasn't, what if that person just called business owners and said, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I'm a business broker, right? I work with a lot of mid-sized companies like yours in that $10 to $25 million range. If you ever have any questions about either the value of your business or potentially selling it in the future, deal me in. I'm happy to help you whether I represent you on the sale or you never even sell it. I live and breathe this stuff. My mobile, 720-6603. I'd call it and I'd be like, holy crap, that's my mobile, 720-660-3202. Give them your mobile. Guys, this is the perfect time of year. This is the perfect time of month. I can say that with complete certainty because it's always the perfect time of year, perfect time of month, perfect time of week, perfect time of day to get yourself out of obscurity, okay? But we're not doing it. We're acting like teenagers on a dating app, like, want to hook up? And that's not skillful.